case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Connecticut Supreme Court took on an intriguing case in 2016, focusing on Philip Morris Inc. for the alleged defective design of their cigarettes. The crux of the lawsuit was claims that the product caused the plaintiff's wife to develop lung cancer, leading to her premature death. Paired with the heavy emotional undertone, the case brought forth complex technical questions about product liability laws that the court had to unpick. Under scrutiny was the applicability of the Restatement, third, on product liability law to claims involving design defects at the time of sale. The court, however, resolved that this standard was not relevant to the case at hand. The landmark ruling did not stop there. It further established that the litmus test for potential dangers in a product's design would no longer be if it was unreasonably dangerous. Instead, courts would employ the modified consumer expectation test, which demands that the potential risks and benefits are assessed from the perspective of an ordinary consumer. Despite the court's consensus, the author expressed a distinct disagreement with the court's application of Connecticut's common law rule of punitive damages, arguing for a more strict interpretation of the law. Nevertheless, the court held firm, ruling that this rule applies to an award of statutory punitive damages. While the case unraveled a compelling tapestry of emotions, technicalities, and controversy, one thing seemed clear. The court reaffirmed an age-old principle. All product liability claims, regardless of their origination or underlying theory, would continue to follow the same basic elements set in place since 1965 and 1979.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class